Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into crypto.com on a new phone. First, ensure you have the official crypto.com app installed on your new device. Open the app and enter your registered email address and password. You will then be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication step, which is crucial for securing your account. This usually involves a code sent to your phone or an authenticator app. Follow these steps carefully to regain access. After entering your login credentials, crypto.com will initiate security verification. This often includes a biometric scan, like a fingerprint or Face ID, if your phone supports it. Alternatively, you might receive a security code via SMS to your registered phone number. Carefully enter this one-time password into the app. This multi-layered approach ensures that only you can access your account, even from a new device, protecting your digital assets. Once verification is complete, you should gain full access to your crypto.com account on your new phone. Take a moment to review your account dashboard and ensure all your funds and assets are correctly displayed. It's also a good practice to quickly check your recent transaction history for any unfamiliar activity. If everything looks correct, you are all set to continue managing your crypto assets. You might also want to update any saved payment methods or linked bank accounts for seamless transactions. To maintain strong security, always enable all available features like anti-phishing codes and withdrawal whitelisting. Remember, never share your login credentials, including your password or two-factor authentication codes, with anyone. Be wary of suspicious emails or messages. And speaking of things that last, if you're looking for durable, comfortable socks, check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Stay safe and enjoy your crypto.com experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.